playboy, 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 playboy.
Video. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey, welcome. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. So today I'm going to be giving you guys all the details on this island gal luxurious curly hair from RPG Hair. Like, I swear they never lay me down. So I'm going to keep this intro super short and sweet. So if you want to see all the details on this hair, just keep on watching.
You bring me comfort to my soul. 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 You bring me comfort to my soul.
That's my shit.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my You bring me comfort to my soul. 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 You bring me comfort to my soul.
So guys, like I said before, today's video is coming courtesy of RPG Hair, and I have to show you guys the box that it came in, because like, Christmas is almost here. They sent this wig to me in this super cute box, and of course they always took your girl up. They sent me over just a couple things to liven the wig up. They sent me over some wig caps and a comb and an elastic band, which I really don't even have to sew in there, but I'll get into that later. So the hair got to me super quick. I think it took it wasn't any more than 4 days. Like literally, they always get the hair to me super fast. Their shipping and their communication is top notch. So when I first got the wig, I wasn't really sure if I was gonna like it. I love curly hair, but sometimes curly hair is either a hit or a miss. Like it's either really good or just not working, because sometimes it frizzes up too much and it's just too tangly and just not good. But this wig was like everything for me. Everything I want in a curly wig and everything I want a curly wig to look like, that's what this wig looks like. When I first got it though, it did have like some real not cute like ringlets in it, but I just added some water and kind of finger combed and combed with my wide tooth comb, and it gave me these really pretty, like I just got out the water and I wake up like this curls, you know, and I'm really feeling that. Real quick, I don't think I mentioned the actual details of this wig, but this is their deep wave 360 lace wig in 22 inches, and I say it all the time when I do 360 lace wigs, but when you do have a 360 lace wig, that means you can pull it up in a bun or in a ponytail because there's lace literally all around the perimeter of the wig. So getting further into the details, I literally didn't have to do anything to this wig, which is one of the things I love the most about the wigs I get sent from RPG. They come with literally everything done. So the knots were already bleached. In the video, you see me trying to lay down some baby hairs. I did kind of good with this one. I'm kind of proud of that one. That's why it's in the middle. Because I'm proud of it. But yeah, it came with the baby hairs already done, so I didn't have to like cut and do all the extra stuff. I literally just laid them down, and like I said, the bleats were notched, which is something I've come to not like doing because it takes a lot of time and effort, and so the fact that they do that for me is always a plus. And then as far as the wig being plucked and everything, I actually, like I said, I didn't do anything, so that means I didn't even go behind them and pluck. And for me to not have gone behind them, I think the wig looks pretty decent. I mean, it could be plucked a little tiny bit more, but I mean, if plucking is not your thing and you really like don't like messing with your wigs, or you're scared to mess with your wigs, then it was completely fine. As far as tangling, I haven't been getting tangling from this wig at all. I've been able to run comb and run my hands pretty smoothly through it, but I was getting a lot of shedding. Well, not a lot. I was getting like a fair amount of shedding at first. I think I showed you guys in a video, but I will show it some more. That was kind of what I got, which isn't much, but as I was pulling it out, it felt like a lot. But it was mainly when the hair was wet. So yeah, I'm going on a trip soon, and best believe I'm gonna be wearing this on the beach, so I could fool people into thinking that I'm just that girl. Yeah, okay. As far as the price, I think we're all pretty much on the same page that RPG doesn't have like the most inexpensive wigs. Most of the wigs are pretty, you know, expensive, like in the $300–400 range. So of course that isn't, you know, the best for some people, and I totally get that. But I mean, if you are trying to pay for quality and you do want the most, like the absolute most for your money, like a wig that you can wear for at least a year or two, then this is the place to go. Like seriously, there's really not much I can say about this wig. Like I never have anything bad to say about RPG wigs because their wigs are always so on point. Like they never ever fail me. Like like look at that. Just so of course, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.